Welcome back for another Funday Sunday watch face review, and today we got another awesome watch face by my man Schultz. Now this one here is called Royal Hybrid. It's pretty similar to Royal Classic, the one that we reviewed yesterday. We didn't get a chance to put the two together, but we have it now. Now this one is nice. Now I like that it has the analog hands. I like that it has that nice smooth second hand going around the bezel of the watch. Of course, this gives you the best of both worlds. Now, you're still going to get the same info, you know, your step status info. You get a 24-hour, nice big bold digital time, and you'll also get battery info, your heart rate. You get everything that you'll get on the Royal Classic here. So I thought it was a nice look. I thought it was one that you will want to check out in the Gear Manager store. And as always, his watch faces are always affordable. So make sure you check it out. But we do have one more for you to have a look at, just in case you haven't downloaded this or seen this one yet. And it's also awesome. So with that being said, let's check it out. Watch face number 2. Now this one I'm loving. This one is called The Future. Now in always on mode, it has a very nice look, almost similar to what you're going to see when it's on, but yet different. You're going to get an analog / digital time, and I'm telling you, this watch face looks awesome. Now let's take a look at the watch face while it's on. Now what I'm loving about this watch face, first of all, is the animation that's circling around the inside of the watch. It looks totally awesome, and I like the color of the index that's going around the bezel of the watch as well, and it gives you all the information you need. You get a moon phase at the top, you get your date to the left, and also to the right you're going to get your battery info, and down at the bottom you're going to get your digital time with an AM stamp. And so you get the best of both worlds with this one. You also get, of course, your heart rate right there, and it is interactive, so you can tap in certain places and it will pull up, you know, information from that particular application. And it does give you like a little map of where you should tap at to be able to extract that information that you're seeking. The guy got down on this watch face. I like what he did, but that's not it. Check this out, right? Now you get a totally different look as you go through the different colors of this watch face. And he has quite a few for you to choose from. You know, either you can have it dim or you can have it bright. You know, you have a choice in the matter. Now that white one looks awesome, and I'm thinking you can get away with this dressing super casual. Definitely an awesome look. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts on these watch faces. And with that, hit the like button on the way out, share this with others, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your Funday Sunday. Relax, enjoy, and take care.